Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to force restart or soft reset your device. So if the screen in your device do not respond, then you can soft reset it, and all you have to do is simply press the power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it until your device will restart. So let me press both of those buttons, volume down button and power button at the same time. And we just made a screenshot, but let's hold it until we will see that and as you can see, the screen turned black, and right now we've got the welcoming screen, let's say the developer screen. So it means that we just successfully restarted and we have to wait. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset, how to restart your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.